Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Okay, so to start, first you will press the phone button here on the main screen. And now, if you don't have a phone paired already, you will get this pop-up message. If you don't get it, I will show you what to do. All you have to do is press onto the settings here, and then you will press Add Device at the upper left corner. Okay, and you will get this screen. Vehicle device name, Uconnect, and the PIN number. And now I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. Okay, so first you want to enable the Bluetooth on your phone. And once you do that, you will have to select the Uconnect. Now I have a bunch of paired devices already here, but scroll all the way down under the available devices. Here is the Uconnect. So press that, and now the pin displayed on my vehicle screen is 0000. I will press pair, and that should do it. And now the Bluetooth pairing is in process. And now you'll get a question: do you want to allow access to all of your contacts? That's up to you. I will deny it. And once you answer this, now you can make phone calls or listen to the music via Bluetooth. You can see on the vehicle screen as well, Bluetooth pairing successful. Do you want to make this phone favorite? No. And that's it. This is my phone right here. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.